All fish live in water. They have special features that help them survive there. Fish live in water and have fins for swimming. The temperature of their body changes when the temperature of the water changes. Click each picture to learn more about their special features. When the water gets colder, the body of a fish gets colder too. Fins help fish swim through the water to find food or reach safety.
See, they're giving you an arrow to label the fins.
Gills help a fish take in oxygen from the water.
Oxygen is like the air you breathe. They need to breathe too. So right here are the gills.
Insects come in so many shapes and sizes. A fly looks very different from a ladybug. It's hard to tell they are in the same group of animals. But although they look very different, all insects share a few special features. Click each picture to find out what these features are. The body of an insect has 3 segments, or sections. Insects have a hard outer shell for protection. Insects have 6 legs. Some are used for walking or climbing, and some are used for grabbing and holding food. Reptiles and amphibians are 2 kinds of animals that sometimes look very much the same, but they have many important differences. Let's look at reptiles first. Click the labels to learn about the features of reptiles.
So their skin is one of the big differences I always notice.
Reptiles have a strong covering of scales to protect them from harm. A reptile's body gets colder when the air outside gets colder. Most reptiles lay eggs. Many reptiles have claws for climbing or grabbing food. Now let's look at some of the features of amphibians. How are they different from reptiles? How are they the same? Click the labels to learn about their special features.
So we're going to click these labels, which is, remember, a nonfiction text feature, labeling the parts of our picture. And I can see in this photograph that he has some different skin. So the reptile had that scaly skin.
Amphibians have wet, smooth skin. It lets air and water move through it. Like reptiles, the body of an amphibian gets colder when the water or air they are in gets colder.
So remember, that was true of fish, reptiles, and amphibians. They can handle being cold.
Amphibians lay their eggs in the water. They begin their lives in the water using gills like fish. Then they grow legs and other parts that help them live on land. An amphibian has 2 different lives, one in the water and one on land.